Hey guys, so I get asked kind of often about like what products I'm using, about my makeup routine, and so I thought I would just film like a quick little video and show you like my everyday favorites. So to start with, I do a little bit of foundation primer, and my favorite currently is Mary Kay. I actually use quite a bit of Mary Kay stuff once I like set everything out and was like looking at it. I was like, wow, okay, I really do use a lot of their products. So primer is good because it just helps everything go on smoothly and it helps it last all day. And I love makeup. I love products. I am not an expert by any means, but gosh, whenever I saw my 10-year transformation photo that everyone's been posting, I was like, yeah, I've come a long way with my makeup. So the second thing that I put on is the CC cream by Mary Kay. And this does have a sunscreen in it, SPF 15. And I like this stuff because it's very lightweight. If I'm doing a photo shoot or if I, I'm going to something like a little bit more, where I want a little bit more coverage, I really like Estee Lauder Double Wear. So this is like my go-to for like days when we're shooting at Jules and James. But for like an everyday, I really love this CC cream because it's like very lightweight and it just blends really well. And also the color that I'm using is light to medium. And another thing that I do, I probably do this like 3 times a week. I use Saint Tropez, the tanning stuff. I put it on my face. Even if I don't do it on my whole body, I normally do it on my face because it just really like helps you have that like glowy tanned look. So that's with the CC cream. You can just see it goes on really smooth and even. And now one of the things that I also like to do, and I feel like this is just because I was raised in the 2000s. It's kind of like if you grew up in the 80s, you're gonna have like big hair. I just love like a touch of bronzer, not like everywhere, but like I like kind of put it like on my cheekbone right there. And then sometimes I like do it like this. So basically everywhere, yeah. But yeah, this one that I'm using is Urban Decay Beached Bronzer, and it is sun-kissed. So just a touch of that. And then this blush that I've been using for a hot second is Estee Lauder. And it's kind of a, let's see, this one is called Pink Kiss and All Over Shimmer. So I kind of use both of them. So I'll start with the darker pink and just put it like under your cheekbone. And then I kind of like brush it up. Same thing with this side. Gives you a cute little sun-kissed look. And then I put the lighter one like kind of over it because it gives it a little bit of shimmer. So just a little bit of blush. But yeah, I did my 10-year transformation and I was like, good grief, I have come a long way with my makeup. That is for dang sure. Okay, so like I said, I use all kinds of products. Right now, I'm really liking this palette for my eyeshadow. So it's a Too Faced palette. It's called Natural Eyes. And I was kind of cracking up a second ago because I've never really paid attention to the names of these, but they're all like kind of sexual. So, oh well. So the one I've been using like all over is called Silk Teddy. So if someone's watching or listening to you watch a video, you're just gonna put this Silk Teddy all over your eye. I'm sorry, I had to make a joke. Okay, so I use kind of like a fatter brush for my eyeshadow. And again, this is just for like an everyday look. I can usually do my makeup in like 6 minutes, so pretty quickly. You just put that Silk Teddy all over your eye, blend it in. I'm trying to go quick for you guys. Okay, and then I usually do like a darker one of the browns. Sometimes I do Sexpresso in the crease, or I do Erotica. Wow, I don't know why we had to get so dirty with this Too Faced palette. Okay, so just like I said, I am not an expert at doing this, but best I can. I just try to like get it in the crease and bring it down, and then blend, blend, blend. And then I take an even fatter brush and I really make it like blend in. And these makeup brushes, these are just like the cheap ones from Ulta or something. So nothing really too fancy with that. Okay, so now that your eyeshadow's done, I have been using lately, I like a liquid eyeliner with like a felt tip. So this one is called Morph Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner. And I only line the top of my eyes. So I don't have the biggest eyes. And also like if I ever gain weight, I see it because it's like my eyes get smaller. I know that's crazy, but I only line the top lid because if you line the bottom, your eyes are going to get smaller. Okay, so now that I have that done, so as you know, if you follow me on anything, you know that I almost always have fake lashes on, and it's not that I always have fake lashes on, but I love having eyelash extensions on. So my second business that I own is called The Glam House, and so I have been wearing extensions since June, and I just took a break from them because with this holiday season, being in retail, I have not had a chance to go over there and get a new set put on. So I have been wearing strip lashes. So I'm going to show you how to apply those. If you don't know, just hang out with me for a second. So the mascara that I've been using lately is the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. I've been using this mascara for at least 10 years. I would say actually probably longer than that. Probably like 12 or 13 years. And sometimes I take a break from it and use different stuff, but then I always come back to it because it is my favorite. So you just put like a 1 coat of mascara on, and then you can put your eyelashes on. So okay. So I don't even remember what brand these are, but I'll link these in the video. So I just get like a set of lashes that are like kind of natural, kind of wispy. And my favorite glue is not this glue. This one is called Broadway, but I really like this glue that's called Kiss. And they sell it at the drugstore. But lashes just like, they just make me feel so much better about myself. So just put a thin strip of glue, a little thin line of glue on the base of the lashes, and then you just blow it, let it get a little tacky. And also they sell these little tweezers sometimes with like the glue. So yeah, I think this came with the glue, but you could just use regular tweezers. But I always use one side of tweezers, and then I hold them very carefully on this corner and just attach. Ta-da! See the difference? So such a huge difference. And then we gotta do the other eye. And then I normally let those dry for just a second. And I then put like one more coat of mascara on because it kind of like blends your lashes together. And I didn't put any on the bottom, so. Can anyone put mascara on without opening their mouth? Please let me know. Because you feel dumb when you see yourself doing it on camera, but like, I've been doing it like that my whole life. How are you supposed to stop opening your mouth when you put your mascara on? Okay, let's see. Also, one thing that I love, okay, so I had my brows microbladed. I have really thick brows, but I kind of changed the shape of mine like over a year ago, and I need to go in and get a touch up on my brows. So for now, I'm using this to fill them in, and it's called Precisely My Brow Pencil, and the brand on this one is Benefit, and I got this from Ulta. So what I love about it though is it's basically just a pencil, and you can just like fill it in, like, and it kind of looks like hair strokes because it's like a very fine pencil. So I love that you can do that. Because you can see my eyebrows have faded a little bit since I first got them microbladed. Especially on this side. I think it's because the car, when I ride in the car and I'm driving, the sun hits on this side, so it's a little worse on that side. Okay, so lastly, my favorite thing, where'd it go? This is my favorite product because it is my favorite shade of lipstick. Again, it's Mary Kay, and it's the Raspberry Ice shade, and it's just this perfect shade of pink. And I have let lots of my friends try it, blonde and brunette, and it's just a great shade that looks beautiful on everyone. So and it stays on super well. There you have it. All my little favorite things for an everyday look. And now I gotta go do something with this hair.